What separates the top 1% from everyone else? Why does Tom Brady keep winning championships in his 40s while other athletes fade away? How does Jeff Bezos turn a small online bookstore into $1 trillion empire? The answer? They mastered the mindset of sustained excellence. Because winning once is easy. Staying at the top for decades, that's a whole different game. And if you're in sales, business, or leadership, this is a mindset that you need to dominate the field. Most people burn out. Most people get comfortable after one big win. Most people never build long-term scalable success. But not Brady, not Bezos, and after today, not you. I'm breaking down 3 game-changing mindset shifts that will keep you winning for life in business, sales, and leadership. And if you're serious about playing at an elite level, stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to apply these shifts in your business starting today. Let's go. Let's start with Tom Brady. The guy was a 6th round draft pick. Nobody thought he'd last a year in the NFL. Fast forward 2 decades, 7 Super Bowls, more championships than any team in history. How? Relentless improvement. Brady never saw success as a final destination. He saw it as a moving target. After winning his first Super Bowl, he trained even harder. When critics said that he was too old, he doubled down on his diet, recovery, and mental conditioning. Even after becoming the GOAT, he kept refining his craft. Are you growing or are you coasting? Are you refining your skills? Or are you hoping past success just carries you forward? Are you constantly adapting or are you falling behind? High performers treat growth as a lifelong process. If you're not evolving daily, you're already getting replaced. Tom Brady never stopped improving. Why should you? We work with high-level professionals who refuse to settle. If you're done playing small and ready to start your business and sales success, let's talk. Book a discovery session below and let's build your competitive edge. Now let's talk about Jeff Bezos and the mindset that made him a billionaire. Most people think small and short term. Bezos, he built Amazon with a 20-year plan. In his early days, he didn't focus on profit. He focused on scale. While other companies chased quick wins, he reinvested every dollar into expansion, logistics, and customer experience. Now, Amazon runs the world. Are you thinking about that next commission check or are you building a legacy? Are you chasing small wins? Are you setting yourself up for long-term dominance? Are you running your business based on what's easy now, what will win in the future? Top performers make moves today that pay off years down the road. The people who win big don't just plan for tomorrow, they plan for decades. Most salespeople and business owners are stuck in short-term thinking. All right, let's get back to that final mindset shift that separates real winners from the rest. Listen, success isn't about motivation, it's about discipline. Tom Brady never skips a training session. Jeff Bezos never makes excuses, he executes. And top performers don't just work hard when they feel like it, they show up daily. This is where most people fail. They start strong, but they don't stay consistent. They make big plans, but they don't execute. They get distracted, lose momentum, and stay stuck. If you want sustained excellence, you have to show up every day. Your competitors will quit, you won't. Your competition will slack off, you'll stay locked in. Your industry will change, you'll be 2 steps ahead. The world belongs to the people who show up, execute, and stay consistent longer than everyone else. So here's your challenge. Which one of these mindset shifts do you need to apply today? Are you obsessing over growth or are you just coasting? Are you thinking long-term or are you stuck in short-term wins? Are you executing consistently or are you making excuses? Winners don't just think differently, they act differently. So if you're ready to actually build the mindset, skills, and strategy that keep you winning in life, let's talk. Apply for coaching below. Let's build your success plan. And if you got value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.